So I found some strange parts in an ICOM handy-talkie as a uh, VHF UHF handy-talkie dual bander. And these two parts are surface mount parts the size of an 0805. And the first part looks like a clear piece of glass or quartz with a gold trace on top. I don't know what else it does. It just looks like a gold trace. So I don't know if it's a fuse or a really high precision resistor of some. I mean, it's gold plated, so I don't think it's a resistor. So if anybody can identify this one, let me know in the comments. And then the next part is in the same radio, and there were three of these right next to each other, and they look like they have some little RF voodoo magic in them. Now, that's super, super tiny though, right? These are 0805 packages, and that would be such a small little thing in them. And this is, no more than 500 megahertz radio. So I don't think tiny little traces like that would do anything at 500 megahertz. Maybe at 12 gigahertz, yeah, but I can't figure these out either. I don't know if they're a weird delay line or I don't know. Anyway, if anybody knows what these things are, let me know.